Welcome to the first ever episode of the GCN Tech Clinic, and it's a pleasure to be here. Love it in here. Right, what's it all about though? Well, the GCN Tech Clinic is where the community of like-minded tech lovers and bike fixers and mechanics are going to help solve your problem. How? Well, what we need is for you to leave your technical problem in the comments section down below, and then fellow members of the community are going to chip in and answer it in a clear and concise manner. The clearest, most concise, most professional, sometimes the most innovative, we're going to choose and repair that problem on your bike the following week. Sounds cool, right? So this being the first ever episode, I don't actually have any of your problems yet, so I'm going to pick one out of the air. This week, it's not my problem, it's someone else's problem. I see it quite often. This, the dreaded missing bar end plug. So that's the problem. I want to know how you're going to solve it in the comment section down below. And no, we're not just going to go out and buy a new one. We're going to imagine that it's fallen out, you pick it up, put it back in, and it keeps falling out. But how are we going to solve that? Let me know in the comment section down below, and the best answer is going to get demonstrated next week. Remember though as well, leave your problems in there, and together the community are going to answer them. Right, I'm not going away yet. I've got a couple of questions I'm going to answer that I've actually stolen from my colleagues at GCN. They're not actually how to fix anything, but they are tech related, so I think they're worthwhile, and I think you're going to like them. First up, this one from Nick W. They want to know, can they try cyclocross on their carbon endurance bike? And if not, why not? They can fit 32mm tyres, and they've got discs, and they want to try a local race, just for fun, without going for the expense of a specific bike. Well, Nick, that is a great question. I've actually just taken part in my first cyclocross race in 22 years. Yep, 22 years. I had a few thrills, I had a few spills, but I loved it. Every single minute of it. So I reckon you are good to go. What you're going to need to just check out really is make sure that you're in a ring, or if it's a 1x chain set, that chain ring is suitable for off-road use. And also get yourself a pair of double-sided pedals and mountain bike shoes if possible. Reason being, if you use a road shoe and a road pedal, it's going to make dismounting and remounting pretty difficult, and it will soon get clogged up with mud. We did actually try cyclocross on an endurance bike, this very one, and if you want to see how we got on and what we thought of it, there's a link in the description just down below. So, final question, this one's from Benjamin Aspin, who asks, is the UCI 6.8 kilogram weight limit measured before or after accessories such as GPS mounts or bottle cages are put on? Benjamin, nice question. It's actually measured after accessories are put on, minus water bottles. So it's everything other than the water bottles themselves. Now, I did hear about mechanics once upon a time when bikes were actually weighing less than 6.8 kilograms. They were getting tiny little pellets of ice, putting them in the end of the handlebars, putting a plug in for the weigh-in. I don't know what they did though if bikes were weighed after the stage. I've never heard of them being weighed afterwards, but if they are, not sure really how they got around that little bit of rule bending, but maybe we'll find out one day. Maybe that's where that missing bar end plug went. Maybe the water pushed it out. Don't know. Don't think this one was ever weighed. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this very quick, very brief visit to the GCN Tech Clinic. A quick reminder how it works. Leave your technical problems or questions down below in the comments and try and answer someone else's. That way we can help you get back on the road in no time. Now remember to like and share this video with your friends, and to subscribe to the GCN Tech channel, click on the logo right here. And for 2 more great videos, how about just down here for 5 hacks for less flats, highly recommended if you get a lot of punctures, and down here for the first ever episode of the GCN Tech Show. It's a cracker, not to be missed.